Public School and College for Girls. Today my topic is compound words or nouns. What are compound words? Yes, compound words are two words put together to make a new word. Let's have few examples. The first word is butter and the second word is fly. We will join it, it will make a new word, butterfly. Look, the butterfly is so beautiful. The first word is bus and the second word is stop. We will join it, it will make a new word, bus stop. People are waiting for the bus on the bus stop. The next word is air and the second word is plane. If we join it, it will be a new word, airplane. Airplane flying in the blue sky. The second word is play and the first word is play and the second word is ground. If we join it, it will make a new word, playground. Kids are playing in the playground. The first word is bed and the second word is room. If we will join it, it will a new word, bedroom. My bedroom is too clean. The third one is, the first word is blue and the second word is bird. If we will join it, will make a bluebird. Bluebird is eating the corn. The last one is dust and the second one is bin. If we will join it, it will make a new word, dustbin. We put always trash in the dustbin. Thank you for watching this video.